Righto. Checking the sound with the purple Panda in my Shoei helmet. I have the visor up and I haven't turned on the motorbike yet, obviously. So I'm going to go for a bit of a ride, a little bit of a motovlog. Now I've already warmed this up. I didn't press record on the GoPro, so I talked for about 5 minutes and it was absolutely a waste of time. Righto, so this is the Indian Chief Dark Horse running at idle after it's been warmed up for about 5 minutes. 2,267 kilometers on the clock. I've done 2,258.6 kilometers since new. Running at about 800, between 750 and 800 RPM. Not sure if you can see that, guys. It's 24 degrees. It was 25 degrees only 10 minutes ago, so the temperature is going down, obviously, because 25 to 24 is 1 degree less. So it's getting colder. The battery is at 12.8, 12.7 DCs, 12.9, it was at 13.1 before. 6.8 litres per 100 kilometres. 189 kilometres left in the tank. It's not a full tank of fuel. And obviously we're in neutral. Alright. So I'm going to put it in first and I'm going to take it for a ride. Hold on to your hats. Rattle. First, second, third, fourth. Yeah, we're doing good. Fifth. I'm going to take that corner. We've got to get down into third, or down. Right, we're down into second. Right. Okay, now we can take the corner. Back up into third. Back up to fourth. Back up to fifth. Back into sixth. All right, we're cruising. Cruising. All right. Gonna come to a stop. Down to fifth, fourth, third, second, and we're now sitting in neutral. And I'm wearing just shorts at the moment, which is definitely not what I do when I go for a ride. So yes, if I fall off, then that'll be my own fault. But I can feel the manifold, the heat from the manifold is absolutely burning up my leg. If I touched it, I'm pretty sure I'd have a 3rd degree burn. I would take for a spin around the yard, but put the sprinkler on, the grass is now wet, and luckily I will drop it. And I don't want that to happen. So obviously this is with the visor up, this is with the visor down. This is with the visor down, speaking into the purple Panda mic, into the GoPro. A little bit of rev, a little bit of a rev, a little bit of a rev. Now, these are stock standard pipes. I don't really think I need to get any more pipes. I think these pipes are fine. It's loud enough as it is. I have to wear what do you call them, earplugs when I'm riding, because it can be quite loud, especially when you're riding out on the highway with the wind noise. There you go, that's with the visor down. This is the visor up with a few more revs, a couple more, Couple more. Right. Rattle. Obviously there's a lot of wind noise going on as well. So I'm doing 100 kilometers an hour. You can see all those trees going past. Alright guys, that's it from me. I'll catch yous again another time. So actually no, I'll turn the bike off. I'm using a Great Northern can, so it doesn't fall over. Rattle. So